The double cravings. Let's try it. Ed wants to see this. Let's eat, beautiful friends. Spaghetti. Ed, just stay. He's eating. Let's eat with David. Bit crispy adobo cravings, and then I added chili garlic on it. It's so yum. Why am I always eating toasted adobo be? This is my second day, but next week I will not, kasi we have to take care of our health, right? I have to eat vegetables next week. It's so yum. Let's eat. Baby, juicy, crispy, spicy, so yum. Let's eat crispy adobo. I ate so many. Like, I already had 1 cup earlier. Ang sarap. Super sarap.